Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there were no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy here. A quick shout out on the Good Sellers playlist to, I'm going to spell this, JIVKNMIHAYLOV in San Jose, California. 3 days ago, in the middle of the night, I ordered this. It's here. So, this band, JIVKLMINAYLOV in San Jose, is a good seller in my opinion. Because it's what he said it was, and it is definitely here in the time he said it was going to be. Thank you.